If you're charging $20 for edits and wondering why you're burned out and stuck at the same rate, it's not the workload. It's how you've positioned yourself. Cheap clients don't respect the process, they just want quick results for content they don't even believe in. I price to filter them out, not to look expensive, but to stay focused on work that actually goes somewhere. Reels with clean cuts and solid flow start at $25. If I'm building hooks, pacing, subtitles, or motion graphics, it's $80 to $100. YouTube content starts at $150 and scales depending on the edit. The point isn't time spent, it's how much thinking and clarity I bring to the project before I give any quote. I check who I'm working with, I look at their content output, tone, and energy. If they don't post consistently or they treat editing like an afterthought, I skip it. You can't build long-term results with short-term thinkers. I don't close clients inside DMs. I always try to get on a quick 10-minute call. One call tells me if they're serious or just looking for someone to fix their problem. If they can't clearly explain the goal or the structure, I don't send a price, and I don't sell one edit at a time. I offer structured packages, 5 reels per week, 4 long-form videos per month, clear delivery process, thumbnails, feedback, revision rounds, done. The pricing looks premium because the experience feels premium. I raise my rate when my system gets sharper, faster edits, better results, fewer revisions. If the workflow levels up, the price goes with it. When I raise my rate, I don't justify it. Clean work, consistent delivery, and tight turnaround. That speaks for itself. Follow me on Twitter. I share everything about the process and you can ask anything anytime.